It's like 12 a.m. and I feel like making banana bread because I want to eat it tomorrow morning for breakfast. This banana bread is really special because I use bananas. Yo, what? So this is not about how to make banana bread. This is just about life. And also, another parallel is making a cake is a good metaphor for our lives in that you take different components that don't really go together. It kind of looks like a mess. So you blend the ingredients from here, from here, from here, from here. And it forms into a nice cake after you bake it. So like things come together with pressure, with heat. It's amazing. It's like transformation, but it has to go through a process of death and rebirth. The form changed. We're doing this mucho rapido. And we're gonna use that buckwheat flour again because that's all the flour that I have at home. That's my 2 ripe bananas. If you have 3, have 3. And there's a lot of recipes. Some things you just gotta do with measure with your heart. And this is what it is right now. It's late, so I'm gonna add 1 egg. It's a little cold. Maybe it should be room temperature, but I just blessed it. Add the egg in. So now we're adding a banana and an egg. Sounds odd. Oh, I forgot to melt some butter. This butter is good French butter. Let's melt that. The egg probably should have went after I put the hot butter in, but see, how does that look like it's a cake? It's not. It needs to change under pressure. Some brown sugar. We're gonna measure it. Nope. Most bakers, and I was one of them, you're baking all throughout the night. Like, you would start baking now for the next day. How do you get fresh bread in the morning? It takes a lot of time. It's not like factory made. I mean, some things are factory made, but a lot of times I would just stay up all night. Not anymore though. Add that butter in there. Good butter. You gotta make sure we get all of that good butter in there. Again, no measurements right now. Shouldn't be, it's not really a bread, it's like banana cake. Some cinnamon. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam.
Glad to hear it.
Alexa is commenting and listening to me cook now. That is alarming.
Didn't quite catch that.
Put some vanilla extract. I like that too. I like vanilla. We're cooking and we're cleaning at the same time. Buckwheat flour is healthy, and I think it'll come out better in this banana bread. Baking soda, make this rise. Boom. The most important ingredient is care and love, and I just blessed it. So even though I'm making it at night, I'm doing it fast, and the process, the order of operations is not how I would normally do it. Sometimes you gotta adapt and adjust. I learned that when I had the bakery. Sometimes like I forgot certain ingredients or forgot certain tools. You adapt. Might not be comfortable, but we got through it. I like adding a little honey to my, that was a lot of honey. Pinch of salt. The form changed so many times. Putting the ingredients together, that is like manifestation. You put different parts of your life, different parts of your journey in order to manifest your highest path, your highest, what you want, essentially. That's life right here, making a cake. Now it has to go under heat to fully change into what it's supposed to be, which is a delicious banana bread. Time to transform. Now we're gonna go in the oven for 50 minutes. Now everyone likes eating, but no one likes doing the dishes. So now we gotta do the dishes and then go to, well, we can't go to sleep yet because we're using the oven, but we're gonna read a book, watch some YouTube videos, and yeah. Good morning, now let's try the banana bread. There's no cleanup. Smells like banana bread. Okay, here it is. Maybe a little dry because I didn't add a lot of butter. Maybe just a touch more fat than the butter. And it'd be still fascinated by buckwheat flour. The lesson, life, our manifestations are like a cake, doesn't always go smooth. You bring different properties together, different elements together, different lessons together, different stories together, different experiences together, and you make a cake, which is delicious. And even if it's not super delicious, next time you can make it better. Back at it again, making banana bread, because last time it didn't taste so good. I didn't add a lot of butter, I didn't add a lot of banana, it wasn't so moist. Buckwheat flour again. I'm gonna add a little bit of einkorn flour, which is a native. It's an ancient grain, so this is healthy banana bread. I didn't use a lot of fat last time, always adapting and adjusting. I'm gonna use 1 full stick of butter. Of course it's gonna be better. But I'm still freestyling the recipe because that's what you do when you make banana bread. Let's turn this on. Get the sugar. 3 bananas. Last time I used 2. My melted butter. More fat, sugar, and salt make everything taste better. Gosh, my bananas. Banana bread is like the quickest recipe. Melted butter. Let it cool a bit. Egg. About 1.5 cups of flour. I'm not gonna do full buckwheat. It was too strong of a flavor last time, so that's 100 grams. So 80 grams of buckwheat flour. And this is no recipe. This is my recipe that I'm just making up right now. Baking soda. Okay. Toasted walnuts. And I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna put honey on the bottom. Let this cool. This smells and looks a lot better though. You know, I adapted, I ingested, and now it's good. Second time's the charm. First is the worst, second is the best. Another day, sun is out, it's super cold. This banana bread looks good. The honey on the bottom is nice and gooey. You see the difference? It's definitely not as dry as the other one. You can already tell. And it's a little bit sweeter, it's a little bit richer. More moist, yeah. Softer. Now that's good banana bread. Moist, soft. Buckwheat adds a nice nuttiness, but a little bit more sweetness to counteract that. The honey on the bottom, it adds like a nice surprise. Not necessary, but I like the nuts too. Gotta add a little texture. This I'd be good with selling. Everyone have a wonderful day. I wish you a happy holidays. Peace.